Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and today's how-to is brought to you by, well, me and my friends over at IsraeliKitchen.com. I'm gonna show you 3 separate ways to peel garlic, because I love garlic in pretty much everything. So here's some great ways to make getting more garlic into your food super easy. Let's get to it. So this first method to peeling garlic is sort of the classic method. First, we wanted to start off and take a clove of garlic here. And I'm gonna cut off the root. Remove that. And then you're gonna take your knife and place it over the clove. And I like to place it with the blade side pointing away from me, just for the safety reasons, and just gently smash it until that peel starts to crack. And then there you have it. You can just kind of slide the peel off quite easily. You have a clove of garlic. This next method is probably my favorite because not only does it easily peel garlic, but it's also kind of a good stress reliever. You just add as many cloves as you want to a jar. Cover the jar up. And then we're gonna shake the heck out of it. So just shake the jar as hard as you can for about 10 seconds. And then when you're done, you'll have all this nicely peeled garlic. Fairly simple, and you get a little bit of a workout. And the third and final method. This method involves putting a garlic bulb in the microwave and microwaving it for 20 seconds. By the way, did you know that the microwave was actually invented by mistake? I swear, Google it. Anyway, microwave the garlic bulb for 20 seconds, and then after you microwave it, you're gonna let it cool for about an equal amount of time. And then just start peeling off the cloves. And they just kind of slide out, easy breezy. And that's it, right? Not too bad. And hey, did you know that the microwave could be so convenient? Okay, probably everyone knew that, but really super simple. Plus that jar method, if you're stressed out, that's the way to go. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. If there's something that you want to see, drop a comment, and be sure to check out more recipes and how-to by me over at IsraeliKitchen.com.